Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pumpkin bread, an easy and wholesome treat. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need half a cup each of unbleached all-purpose, whole wheat and buckwheat flours, plus half a cup of old-fashioned oatmeal. For leavening and flavor, grab 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon each of salt, nutmeg, and ginger. Finally, for the wet components, have 1 can of pumpkin, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of flaxseed, 2 tablespoons of wheat germ, half a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, and 3/4 of a cup of unsweetened applesauce ready. Now that we have all our ingredients, let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your 3 flours, oatmeal, baking powder, cinnamon, salt, nutmeg, and ginger, ensuring they are well distributed. In a separate, medium-sized bowl, whisk together the pumpkin, eggs, flaxseed, wheat germ, milk, yogurt, and applesauce until everything is smooth and fully incorporated. Then, gently pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make your bread tough. With your batter ready, it's time to prepare for baking. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, take your loaf pans. You can use 1 large pan or 3 smaller ones and grease them well, then lightly flour them. This step is crucial to ensure your pumpkin bread releases easily after baking. Carefully spoon the batter into the prepared pans, distributing it evenly. You want to fill them about 2/3 full to allow for proper rising during baking. The final steps are simple: baking and cooling. Place your filled pans into the preheated oven and bake for about 60 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, your bread is ready. Once baked, remove the pans from the oven and let the bread cool in them for 10 minutes. This allows the loaves to firm up before you transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your homemade pumpkin bread, a delightful treat for your furry friends and even for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.